Good morning, everybody, and welcome to January. So let's kick this off. Say good day to our new subscribers, who are 56321 books. We've got, sorry, I got my phone here. Andrew and Tok. Nice to meet you all. I hope you're enjoying the video so far. So today we are here to talk about taking better photos of your steed or ride or whatever you want to call it, your bobby, your motorcycle. Let's get into it. So, talk about the first thing. So the number one or first tip, probably is number one tip actually, that I can give you guys is about lighting. So it's making sure that whatever you're shooting is well lit. So in my case, I choose to come out here and film at the crack of dawn, just so that I can do things like have this beautiful sky behind us, and the bike still nice and focused, no shadows, the blacks are quite easy to see, and it comes up really nice. What you want to do is probably get an app, something like Photo Time, and start looking into when golden hour occurs in your location. So it happens twice a day, dawn and dusk. It's when the sun's not too harsh. If you're going to do your best to shoot in locations, maybe if it's a cloudy days are perfect for lighting, but especially if you're stuck using natural light, you want to make sure that there's not too much harsh shadow or anything that's going to block out part of your images or make it harsh for the eyes to see. Let's get to number two. Second tip is of course framing. So it's about making sure that your bike not always is in the center of the shot, but everything around your bike, all the background, everything like that, points your attention towards the bike. So you can see here I've got this lovely road behind me. It's got these big white lines running right up the hill, and I put the bike right in the center, which means that it just draws your eyes right to the big thing in the middle of the picture. You can do the same with really anything. If there's lines in your concrete wall in the background or anything crazy like that, something that really just sort of draws your eyes to what you wanted to show people. I didn't come out here to show you guys that there's a big hill with lines going up it. I came here to show you my motorbike. Alright, time for tip number three. And tip number three is angles. Don't always just go side on or front on. Try different things, crazy things, whatever you want. I'll show you now. There's a stack of photos I've taken today. All different angles, all different craziness, just to try and find that unique view of the bike. And that is a video. So, thanks for watching. If you liked it, be sure to do the subscribe button things, everything that you're into. I've just got to adjust my exposure here. It's time for me to enjoy a coffee. Yes, cliche YouTuber has a massive coffee machine in his garage. I do what I want. And I will see you guys in the next one. See ya. Sorry guys, forgot to mention 56321 books. Thanks for the comments. Glad you enjoyed. Hope you enjoyed this one. And if you guys have any tips, drop them down in the comments below, and I will catch you in the next one. See ya.